Hello everyone and welcome to Lingo French. Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome to Lingo French. If you dream of speaking French fluently, or if you are just starting your learning, this video is for you. Today, I will share my best tips and tricks for learning French effectively, along with a few little secrets from a native. So, stay tuned until the end. 1. Dive into a language bath. The first piece of advice I always give is to immerse yourself in the language. You don't need to be in France for that. Watch films and series in French, with or without subtitles. Listen to podcasts like Inner French or French Pod 101. Read simple books like Le Petit Nicolas or comics like Asterix. Speak aloud what you hear or read to get used to the pronunciation and practice. Break down your learning. French may seem complex, but break it down into small steps. Every day, learn 5 to 10 vocabulary words. Study 1 grammar rule per week. Practice a little each day to create a routine. Important reminder, it's better to practice 10 minutes a day than 2 hours once a week. Third, practice with a partner or online. The best way to learn is to speak. Find a language exchange partner. You teach him your language, he helps you in French. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to chat with natives. No partner. No problem. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing or thinking in French. Fourth, turn mistakes into allies. Don't be perfectionists. Making mistakes is normal. Write down your mistakes in a notebook and correct them. Review them regularly to avoid making them again. Congratulate yourself for every progress, even the smallest. Fifth, adopt a positive and persevering mindset. Learning a language takes time, but it's an incredible adventure. Set realistic goals, like ordering a coffee in French or having a 5-minute conversation. Don't give up at your first obstacles and remember that every word learned brings you closer to your goal. That's it for my tips and tricks for learning French. And you, what are your favorite strategies for learning a language? Share them in the comments. I am curious to discover them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Lingo French channel, and turn on the bell to not miss anything.